So today we're working on a white chocolate brownie. So in front of you I have several ingredients. I have dark chocolate, I have white chocolate in two different bowls. One's to mix in, one's to be melted with the butter. There's the butters right there. I have sugar, eggs, vanilla extract, flour, and salt. First thing we need to do, we're going to take the smaller amount of the white chocolate, which is half a cup of white chocolate, along with the butter. We're going to melt it either on the double boiler or in the microwave. So I melted the butter as well as the chocolate in separate bowls in 30-second intervals. So I put it in for 30 seconds, give it a stir, and then 30 seconds again. It's okay if the white chocolate is not melted completely, because what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour the butter into the white chocolate mixture and then continue to mix it through. Once it's mixed completely, we'll set that aside, and then I'm going to work on beating our eggs. So next step, I'm just going to take our eggs, crack it one at a time into this bowl. And the reason why we crack it into a bowl first instead of putting everything into the stand mixing bowl, because if there's any loose shells, we can pick it from here. There you go. So with the eggs cracked, we're going to add our eggs into the stand mixer. We're going to add our vanilla extract. And we're going to add our sugar. We're going to start up low, and then we're going to start increasing our speed. Once everything gets incorporated, we're going to increase the speed between 4 to 6. That's roughly medium, and we're going to let it go for 6 to 8 minutes. So as you can see, it's thickened. I'm going to remove the whisk attachment, and I'm going to add the paddle. I'm going to turn it back on and then slowly pour in the butter and white chocolate mixture to let that slowly incorporate. With the flour sifted, we're going to slowly pour it in. Into the mix until everything's good. Okay, now we're just going to use our hands. We're going to take out all the excess batter from the mixing paddle so that we don't waste anything. And after that, I'm just going to use my spatula and make sure I scrape the side of the bowls and make sure everything is ready and thoroughly mixed. After that, I'm going to put in my white chocolate as well as my dark chocolate, and I'm going to give it a mix. There we go. Now our next step, we're just going to add the batter in. And at this point, we should have had our oven preheated to 300 degrees on convection. And we're going to put in for roughly 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, so we're just gonna make sure we spread this evenly as much as we can. and then we're gonna put it in the oven.